If I could only bring one small tackle box for panfish, this is it. And it flat out works. No live bait, no clutter, just fish catching essentials. Most people overcomplicate panfish fishing, but bluegill, crappie, and sunfish are predictable if you give them the right size, color, and speed. Everything in here earns its spot. Everything starts with jig heads. I carry a variety of weights and colors. That helps me fish shallow water, deep water, and windy days. Light jigs, like this little pink one here, fall slower and panfish love that. If your bait's falling too fast, chances are you're missing fish. This is where things really get good. Soft plastics. I only keep a few different styles here, nothing more. Tiny paddle tails for a little bit of movement and kick. Straight tail minnows for crappie. Micro grubs and bug shapes for bluegill. And of course, you gotta have some squid patterns. Color matters more than people think with panfish, so keep it simple. Natural colors like white and brown are good for clear water and sunny days. Bright colors are good for dirty water or aggressive fish, and dark colors like black are good for low light, deep water, or pressured fish. If I'm not getting bit, I like to change my color first, not the location. This alone catches more fish. Sometimes panfish want a little flash. This is how I find active fish fast, especially crappie. This little crankbait is perfect for ripping fast and staying in the strike zone, and this lipless crankbait gives them a nice big target to find. Panfish love rooster tails. That big spoon on there gets their attention, and you can't forget about the marabou jig. Those are a classic jig that have caught a ton of fish. I like to keep a couple of barrel swivels so that I can change out lures fast. A few split shots allow me to add weight or fight the Kansas wind. These long shanked hooks are perfect for panfish because it stays right in the corner of the mouth, especially in these smaller mouthed fish like bluegill. Makes hook removal super easy. And of course, a bobber turns this entire tackle box into a vertical box, allowing me to fish all of these lures nice and slow. The last thing in my box, my wild card. I like to take a page from the bass fishing playbook and bring it over to pan fishing. These little guys can make a big difference on tough days. A Texas rigged soft plastic allows you to fish in deep cover, and a Ned rig helps you to catch those more finicky fish. With this box, I can catch panfish year round. Shallow beds, deep brush, docks, weeds, it's all covered. You don't need more gear, you need better choices. What's your go-to pan fishing plastic and color? Let me know down in the comments. And if you like the simple fishing setup video, be sure to subscribe. As always, thank you guys for watching Stone Post Outdoors.